back with another video. If you haven't already, y'all already know what to do. I don't even gotta tell y'all, but I'm still gonna tell y'all anyway. Like this video and what? Become a part of this K Squad and subscribe to my channel. Period, point blank. Yeah. And what about it? Okay, period. So guys, today I'm doing another try on of my new series 1 sets in pink and black, guys. So before we try on, make sure you guys go check out our new arrivals, our new sets, our new lingerie, our new series 1 sets in the description box below. Make sure you support all of our businesses in the description box below, guys. So before we try it on, I'm going to show you guys up close and personal of the quality and stuff like that. And if you guys do want some of our other merch, our little print on demand merch that I'm wearing right here, I'm wearing this little crop hoodie. Like, it's real, yeah, I really love it. It's really comfortable or whatever. So I'm going to be showing you guys my custom stuff that I designed myself. I designed everything myself, but y'all know, private label and all that stuff. Y'all get the gist. Okay, so we're going to start off with the black set first, since I started off with the pink set in the last little loungewear video. So this is the top. This is the top. I don't know why it looks like that on camera, but in real life it does not look like that, guys. I'm telling y'all right now, it does not look like that. It looks ashy on camera, but in real life, it's real life like black. Like, it looks ashy on camera. What's that? It looks ashy on camera, but it's not. So it's Paid Girl, pretty in. Yeah, you see what I did there? In Paid, yeah. So this is really, really simple. I love the lettering and the pink is popping. I don't know why it's not showing up on the cam. Yeah, that's a close-up, up close and personal, puff print, real life. Y'all see the quality though? Like, y'all, this is a size medium. It's also like crop top-ish or whatever. So here is the bottoms to the set. The quality, yo, the quality, the cotton, the material, whatever vendor I use, I fucks with them. I'm gonna always fuck with them. I'm probably gonna try to get them to source a lot of my items. I'm not gonna release that gem. Y'all gonna have to, yeah, I might, I don't know. But so this is the bottoms, y'all. Like, it's hard to, like, let me get into it. It's hard to find quality clothes, like quality blanks, quality vendors and stuff like that. I know y'all see me looking up, I'm looking at myself, but I'm talking to y'all. It's hard to find like good quality material when you're shopping with vendors and manufacturers like in China, like, and you never shop with them before. You're taking a big risk and all that good stuff. We're gonna get into that in like other videos where I talk about trial and error and do's and don'ts. But yeah, it's really hard to find good quality stuff and people that's gonna really make your stuff like how you want it. But with that being said, I'm gonna show you guys this quality. So like, let's start off by the waistband. Like, do y'all see? I don't know what's all of that. Do y'all see like the quality? Like, yo, it blew me away. It's so like, the quality is amazing. It's not like one of those, y'all know, like when y'all have some stuff that's thin, you know it ain't gonna last long. Like, these sets are going to last long. And it also has a drawstring as well if you want to, you know, tighten her up. It has pockets as well on both sides. They are deep. You can fit your phone in there. Yeah. So this is what it looks like on the front. This is the logo I put on the front. It says Paid Girl with a little money bag. Yeah, because big bags. Yeah. And it says Paid on the back. I did want to do something on the back because I wanted to be different. I didn't want to just have the little logo on the front. So yeah, I put Paid on the back. When they see you walking away, they know you paid. Like, huh? Act like you know, baby. Yeah. So this looks like on the bag. I do, so like when you put it on, it looks like this when you don't have it on, but when you put it on, it's like, you know, feels out. Y'all see what I'm saying? It feels out. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about when I try them on. So yeah, the pink is popping. Yeah, Paid, big Paid. So here is the pink set. Size medium as well. Same thing, you know what I'm saying? Just white letters and all that good stuff. Puff print as well. Paid Girl, pretty and Paid. Size medium. The quality, guys, the quality in these shirts. Like, we're gonna talk about this. This is a mistake I made. I did not put my logo here, but these are samples. Luckily, like with the others that goes out, I will make sure I include those. Like when I, you know, mass produce and stuff like that, I will make sure I include my, you know what I'm saying, my private label or whatever. So this is cropped as well. This is the bag. The bag does not have anything on it. Like, the quality, I wish y'all can feel it. Like, it's so soft. I ain't never felt no cotton so soft. Like, boy, what? I did amazing, and they were expensive. Okay, but we can go talk about that. Same thing with the pants, with the shorts or whatever. The quality on these like are amazing, and I'm loving how like my camera is picking this up. I ain't pay all this money for this camera for no reason. So it also has the little logo on the front. It has the pockets, the drawstrings, all that in a bag of chips. So that's the logo right there, and it says paid on the back. Big paid, y'all know. When you try it on, it's gonna stretch out. The clothes don't stink. Oh, I hate some stinking stuff. Y'all know it's stuff that could be coming from trying to be smelling like a little fish. But we ain't gonna get into that. I'm finna model them for you guys, and yeah. So we're gonna get a close-up of the top while I got it on. Y'all see it filled out. I do not have on a regular bra, guys, so that's why we not sitting pretty. I have on a sports bra. But yeah, so these are the bottoms, y'all. Yeah. My whole round. Hold on. What's up? Yeah. What? Yeah. Like, they always trying to, like, you trying to jump me? Like, these little vines be having the nerve. Like, be having a mind of their own. The lights already be, I think I got a ghost, for real. Lights already be coming on by themselves. Anyway, I'm trying to do a video. Chill out. But yeah, y'all. Let me stop. But yeah, y'all, so this is the back. Let me show you guys. This is the back. Paid. Let me stop being ghetto. But this is the back. This is the front. Period. Like, the quality, yo, the quality is amazing. And I gotta pull it up because y'all know I'm still working on my little summer bod. But y'all, if y'all wanted y'all bellies to show, this is how it would look if y'all bellies were showing. I got a little muffin top, so yeah. But if you got a little muffin top, you want to cover her up, you can always pull her up, and you can always be like this, pretty and paid, period. So yeah, y'all, I really love it. Like, I love it, and the quality is amazing. Quality is amazing. Like, ain't nobody fucking with me. Ain't nobody fucking with me, y'all. So we finna try on the pink next or whatever, and I do not like how it's showing up on camera. Y'all, it's showing up like it's two different blacks. In real life, it's not. This shit's pissing me off. But yeah, in real life, y'all know what I'm saying. But yeah, I'm loving it. Tell me what you guys think. Would y'all get the pink or would y'all get the black? Let me know in the comment section below right now. Okay, guys, so this is the top to the pink one. Pretty and paid. Paid girl, pretty and paid, yeah. This is full body. The bottoms, pockets, drawstring, the side or whatever. This is the back. Side view. Yeah, so like I really like both of them. I can't even say which one is my fave, but let me know in the comment section below which one is y'all faves. But yeah, y'all, so that is it. Like, I'm excited though. I'm excited. Y'all not excited with me? Like, what's tea? But yeah, y'all, so this is it. This is the newest additions to our clothing brand or whatever, Paidgirlclothing. Make sure you guys check out that description box below. If you do want to shop, use code YouTube for 20% off. Just for you guys, I'm going to give you guys 20% off with code YouTube. Also, guys, we're going to be coming out with some two-piece bathing suits really soon. If you guys follow us on all of our social medias, also in the description box below, y'all will see there that we are now taking pre-orders for those swimsuits, and we are taking orders for all of the stuff that we just showed you, the series 1 sets, the loungewear sets, all that, period. Beanies are going out. Y'all remember the Paid Girl beanies? We still have those available. Those are now $15.99. Y'all want to go catch those as well. Catch those. But yeah, y'all, make sure y'all like this video. Y'all already know what to do. If y'all ain't subscribed by now, like, you just a hater. That is period point blank. I'm sorry, but you're a hater. I'll see you guys later in the next video. Bye.